My friend Mick invited me on a tour of Normandy in his camper van. Leanne prepared me a feast for the train journey to Brighton. I booked a room at the Legends Hotel, but I had no idea it was very famous. I had my first Peruvian meal ever. It was canny, lots of raw fish. The following morning Mick picked me up from Brighton and off we went to New Haven. This looks really nice. We're in priority here. Huh? They must have heard like I was coming.
Hey, I think it stopped raining.
Did it?
I think it stopped raining. There you go.
Yeah, it has stopped raining. We're nearly in France.
Do you know what I need? I need myself one of them number plates, don't I?
Yeah, right.
RV10 van. Just in case you forget, there is a van.
Yeah.
Where's that pub we were in yesterday?
Right at the end. The Hope Inn.
Here we go. I always get butterflies when I'm doing this.
Just arrived at the Airbnb, nice little place. The guy who owns it has a shop just across the road, just there. It's on the high street of Dieppe. Mick has gone to park his car in a campsite just not very far from here. There it is. You happy, aren't you?
Stupid drone!
Skate wings. It's funny how it doesn't stop people from going to the shops.
We're on about the markets. The artisan market in the town centre.
Yeah.
It's like the shopkeepers, they're happy that they have it on because it brings people in.
Exactly, yeah. Lovely. Yeah, the one I bought the other day was maybe small like this.
Was it a good
Absolutely.
trees you got?
No, it's like a camembert.
That would do me.
Allez, les 3 sachets, c'est 10 euros.
Bread and
Oh yeah.
some cheese, tomato.
Crowds are gathering and they'll continue to gather as the masses head towards south.
Would have been better if it had been a little bit hotter.
Hotter.
In 3 kilometers, take exit 3 towards Le Mans, off there.
I'm freezing there.
I am. Yeah, but I mean, you need to finish your beer first.
It's lovely and warm inside. With them blankies up. Tiny little bike. It's a big heart. It's a lop.
You better hurry up because he's good. Close the door. Bye.
Bye.
Is it coming down?
It's coming down, man. It's coming down.
Right.
So we're in a little bar in Ouistreham. I'll get it right eventually. And we've got a glass of a granny's piss, I think. It's €17.80 for 2 pints of granny's piss, but it actually tastes super. Cheers.
And I think it's the cheapest pint we've had so far.
Yeah, it is just about.
I stayed at the Hotel Detective. My room was named after Inspector Clouseau. Nick is thinking about joining the surfers over there. He's gonna get wet. He nearly got wet, didn't you?
Found the perfect stone though.
All right.
I'm used to getting away. But you know what? He's verboten to pick up
Verboten.
stones. Do
Yeah.
not pick up stones.
Why is it so different?
They're different? Different beans?
Why?
I don't know.
Le degré est juste 0,4. Et voilà.
Merci. What did she say?
I don't know.
Yours
I think
is
they're from
stronger.
different. Yeah, it's a little bit. I
You
think
bought
they're
the
from
same thing.
Yeah, they're from the same brewery.
I'm glad you gave us the weaker one. This is Saint-Valery-en-Cour. Absolutely gorgeous. Dieppe is further up the coast. Look at the cliffs. Amazing. And the campsite is just there, you know, overlooking the harbour, whatever, the entrance to the harbour. Look at them cliffs over there. Amazing. Mick is over there filming. Yeah, don't fall into the water. Do you enjoy both desserts there, by the way, Mick?
You know what would finish it off?
Yeah,
A waffle thin mint.
exactly. I would blow up if I had one now. We had our last meal in Dieppe with my cousin Salima, who used to be the museum curator there.